Good evening, everyone. I am presenting about a project Telecom churn analysis. I am Mohammed Sohail. I have made this project individual. So coming to my project summary, this is showing Telecom churn analysis is the process of identifying customers who are likely to cancel their service or switch to a different service provider. This is an important problem of telecom companies as churn analysis can have a significant impact on their revenue and profitability. In this, our problem statement is showing the same as summary. And now coming to my code. Let's begin our code. First of all, we are importing our libraries as pandas, speedy importing numpy, and import some visualization libraries. And now we are loading our data set as a CSV file. Here we are being our first data, first 5 rows of head, and here we are saying our list data with the tail function, dataset row and column count, checking number of row and column of the dataset using save. So this is save function, dataset information, checking using info function. These are information, and now checking our duplicate values with the duplicated function, data.duplicate.sum. So they are not duplicate value. Now we are checking our missing values or null values, like checking missing values, null values found for each column, data.isNull.sum. This is the function for checking missing values or null values. So here showing the result, visualizing the missing values, checking null values by plotting heat map. So this is SNS.heatMap function, which is including the argument of data.isNull function. C bar is equal to false. Okay, so here are the heat map of the data. What did you know about dataset? This dataset from telecom industries, there's three to the company when customer churn happens. We have analyzed the computer customer churn and inside of it and determined why the customer churn is happening. In this dataset, there are 3,333 numbers of rows and 20 features column. Also, there are no missing values and duplicate values in the dataset as we have checked in the previous code of. Now understanding our variable like dataset column, here column, describe all the column included, data.describe, include all round 2. This include all the columns. Now we are coming to the check unique values for each variable. So here we can check our unique values for each variable using for loop. Here for loop included, and here printing all the unique values with the NU and IQE function. Okay. Now coming to my data wrangling part. Data wrangling code. Before doing any data wrangling, let's create a copy of dataset. Data 2 is a variable is equal to data.copy. It's a function. Now check how many customers leave the company churn. So here is the data frame. PD.data frame. This is the variable showing the count. And now churn rate is down, and this is our formula. Okay. Here's showing the result. False is equal to 2850. These have left the company, and they are 2. Let's check churn rate area code wise. So here are the code which is checking the churn rate code wise area. Here is the result. Now let's check the statistical value mean median for all feature of area wise. This function give mean and median for all features. So here are the code. For area code 408, get mean median data 2, 408. Here are the results. So these are all including the column wise data which we are checking. Now let's check churn on the basic of international plan. So here our variable churn underscore int pd.data frame data to dot group by international plan churn value code. They are showing the data set of this columns. Now churn in, churn rate round. This is the formula. And now we are checking our result false, which are false, which are true. So 2664 as false and 346 equal to true. And which are saying yes. Here are 186 false and 137 true. Let's check just churn on the basic of voicemail plan. Churn voicemail pd.data frame, data to group by voicemail plan, churn values count, churn voicemail, churn rate round, churn voicemail into slash len data to comma 2 bracket close. Okay, so they are showing churn voicemail. Here are the result. No, false 2008, true 403, and then the yes, false is equal to 842 and true is equal to 80. Let's check the tune customer who are having both international and voicemail plan. Here are the code and here are the result. Let's check the tune customer who is having international plan but no voicemail. Here are the code for the who are having international plan. Okay, that's coming over. What are manipulation have done by inside of you? Here are the chart of manipulation. What have done inside found by me. Okay. Yeah. Now coming to data visualization, storytelling, and experimenting with chart. Understand the relationship between variables. Okay, so coming to our visualization of dependent variable, dependent column value count print data to churn dot value count print color palette selection plotting data on chart. Okay, displaying chart. So plt.show, which is displaying our chart like fast 28502483 name churn d type data type is equal to int 64. Okay, now this is the pie chart showing customer churn rate percentage. Not churn is equal to 85.5% and just churn rate 14.5%. Now why did you pick the specific chart? Pie chart are generally used to show the properties of whole, are especially useful for displaying the dataset that has already been calculated as a percentage of whole. Okay. What are the insights found? I have already explained previous. Will the Kane insight help creating a positive business impact? Here our explanation. And chart to column wise histogram and box plot. Here making the box plot and chart. Okay. Yeah. Histogram and box plot is this. And here our code for this graph. As you can see the insights of this chart. Histogram and box plot. Okay. Here are our visualization part of histogram of and box plot. diagram. Okay, see the reflection of data. Customer service calls, in the box and in the histogram. Okay. So why did we have this pick the specific chart of histogram? Because a histogram is a type of chart that displays the distribution of data set. It is graphical representation of data that shows how often each value of group of values occur. Histoplots are useful to understanding the distribution of data and distribution pattern of trend in the data. It is also useful when dealing with large data, as we have already mentioned, dealing with the large data. So greater than so observation, it can help detect any usual observation outliers or any gaps in data, right? Box plot are used to identify the presence of outliers in a data set. Okay, comparison comparing the distribution of multiple data set and understanding dispersion of data. They are often used in statistical analysis and data visualization. Okay, what insight we have got from the chart? From about distribution chart, we can see that all columns are symmetric distributed and mean is nearly same and median for numeric column. Here area code will be treated as categorical value and there are only 3 value in the particular column. Like, will the gain insight help creating a positive business impact? Are there any insight that lead to negative growth? Justify with column reason. Histogram box plot cannot give us the whole information regarding data. It's just time to see distribution of the column data over the data set. Okay, so state versus average true churn percentage. So state versus average churn percentage visualization code. We are visualizing the data using figure. Okay, bar plot we are using in this particular code, and this is the bar plot of state with most churn percentage. This is state wise percentage, and in this data set we are using also bar plot. Okay, this is the bar plot. This is the result of the data, right? Now we are coming account length with churn. These are showing the account length, 1-digit account length, and in this we are using this particular chart. Okay, here the pie chart we have also used the previous time. Okay, we are showing 8.3 percentage of churn rate, and this is the not churn 91.7. We have already used this chart, right? Now coming to the 2-digit account length churn rate. Here are the rate result. 3-digit account length churn rate. Here are the result. Okay, this is the box plot for account length attribute. Okay, here are the normal basic code for checking account length box plot with churn. We can categorize account length into 3 categories like 1-digit, 2-digit, 3-digit, as we have already included in our pie chart summary. In the 1-digit, false is equal to 22, true, and in the 2-digit, false is equal to 1378, and true is equal to 225. 3-digit is equal to false is equal to 1450, true is equal to 256. Okay, and here are the churn rate percentage as we have previously checked in our pie chart. Remark. We have included 4. As from the above record, we can see that 2-digit account length customer are churning with the number of 225, and 3-digit account length customers are churning with the number of 256. Okay, we are showing the details about this particular charts. International plans. Okay, here are the code for international plans. Here are the chart. Yes percentage 9.7%, no percentage 90.3%. Okay, assigning value for further charts. Okay, we are assigning the value for the chart, visualizing code for people churning percentage having international plans. Okay, we are using bar plot. Okay, for looping for the batches. Okay, here are the bar chart, which is showing the percentage of customers churn basing of international plans. Okay, in the no, the percentage is 11.50. And in the yes, we can see the lots of the percentage which are having at least nearby 50%, like 42.41. This is very good. And visualizing the code for average column chart, charge of customer having international plan. Here are the code. Average charges of basic international plan. Here are the charges. Okay. Yes, no percentage. Average international minutes of on basis of international plans. They are showing minute wise, charges wise. Okay, so lots of bar chart is included. And bar chart is basically very popular for using any data result for visualization. And here is distribution of customers having voicemail plan. This is yes percentage of 27.7 percentage and no percentage is 72.3 percentage. Visualizing code for customer churning while having voicemail plan, same as previous. Percentage of customer churn on basic of voicemail plan. The voicemail plan percentage, which is showing percentage wise. Okay, now is now percentage is 16.72. Yes, percentage is 8.68 percentage. Okay, why did we pick the specific chart here showing the result as we have already explained the previous? Okay, area code, visualization code for area wise average churn percentage is showing area wise. Area code versus churn percentage. This is the area code and this is showing churn percentage, which is 14.26, 14.56, 14.88. Okay, what will be the specific chart? We have already done. Overall calls. This is showing the overall calls. Like total day calls, false, true, false is equal to 100 point, etc. 2 is equal to 101 point something. Okay, total day minutes, showing the minutes, the charges, visualizing total day minutes versus total day charges. See, here are the visualization of total day minute and charges. Okay, this is showing the perfect day minutes and the charges about any my churn data. Average of total like total every call, total every minute, total every chart. Okay, they are showing total minutes, charges, calls. All the data is showing in the particular graph. Total 9 minute versus total night charges. Here are showing by our chart. Here are false values. Here are true values. Okay. Average of calls on the basis churn. There are average calls versus calls. Okay. Here are saying normal legit. You can say that clearly. Okay, overall calls. Churn customers speak more minutes at that and that non-churn customer at the evening and night. Hence, they pay more charges than non-churn customers. Getting my point? We can retain churn customer if you include master plan in the master plan. If a customer is talking more minutes, then we can charge a little less amount from him and he can get discount for additional few minutes to talk. This will make customer who is going to churn happy and they will not leave the company. Okay, this is the option. Customer service calls. Here are the code churn rate per service. Okay, here are the bar chart for this particular customer service calls. Okay, Correlation heat map, showing heat map. Here are code, normal code, variable code, zeros, including. Okay, stats plot, heat map including. Here are our heat map, which is showing lots of information about our data, area code, number, voicemail, total terminals. Lots of things are included. Here are pair plot. What shows on data plot dot so. Here are the pair plot, which is showing the data. As you can see, there are lots of information. Lots of information. So why did you pick the specific chart? Pair plot, also known as scatter plot matrix, is a visualization that allow you to visualize the relationship between all pairs of variable in a data set. It is useful tool for data exploration because it's allow you quickly see how all the variables in the data set are relocated to one another. Okay. Solution to begin the objective. Okay. What is this client achieve the business solution? So reduce customer churn. Modify information plan as the charge same as normal one. Be proactive with communication. Ask for feedback often. Critical there often. Retain customers. Here are some options which are showing for not to reduce the churn of customer. Okay. Here our conclusion, the telecommunication market is already well established and the rate of new customers is slow. As a result, companies in this industry prioritize retention and reducing customer churn. This project analyze a churn data to identify the main focus, contributing to gain valuable insight through exploratory data analysis. We are able to gain insight data set listed below. Gain. Okay, here 6 step. The 4 charges field are directly related to minute field. The area code may not be relevant to that cannot be excluded. Customers with international plan tend to churn more often. Customers who have had 4 or more customer service call churn significantly more than other customer. Customer with high day and evening minutes usage tend to churn at a higher rate. There is no clear relationship between churn and variables such as day calls, evening calls, as we have done before. Night calls, international calls, night minutes, international minutes, account length, or voicemail message. Okay. Here end our project and conclusion. I am saying all the insights of data are showing by the charts visualization, and here are the conclusions of the data. Done. Thank you.